So today I'm going to season the pit. There's lots of videos on YouTube on seasoning the pit. This is pretty much standard for any new pit. You got to season it. Chris at Lone Star told me to treat the pit like a cast iron skillet. Just keep it seasoned. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some canola oil, got some Pam. We're just going to spray everything, probably pull all the shelves out, spray the interior, spray the shelves, and then we'll be building a small fire in it, try to keep the temperature up around 225, no more than 250. Chris said for a minimum of 6 hours. That will help set the paint. The paint's dry, but it's really not cured, and we're going to get that paint baked on really nice so it'll last a long time. So I'll probably just turn the camera on and just let it run while I do this process. It's going to take a while. Maybe I'll double speed it or triple speed it so you're not watching me do this for the next couple of hours. But if you're interested, stay tuned. If not, thanks for tuning in. Please hit subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Hit like if you like what you're seeing. This is a new channel. I've just started it up. I'm still learning a little bit. Still got a little bit of equipment to buy. I'm sure I need to get a better mic. I'm right in the flight path at the airport, and I have a waterfall running in the background. I hope it isn't drowning me out. So stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Well, it's been about 3 hours since we first fired up the pit. It took about an hour for it to start up and get the temperature, but my goodness, I can't believe how little wood this thing is using. So let me show you the temps. We've got a front one here. It looks like it's 235. We're at about 240. This one up here, we're running just a little under 225. Other side of the horizontal, right at 255. Over here on the vertical, this seems to be the coldest spot. So we're at 155 coming on up. We are at almost 175. So this would be great at this point. This would be great to keep your beans warm, keep your casserole dishes warm. And bear in mind, I have not done the tuning plates yet. I just kind of laid them in there, and I'm sure I can get those dialed in a little better if I want to even heat. But right now I'm kind of happy that I have some different temperatures that I can move my food around on. So I'm going to let this go about another 3 hours. We've used hardly any wood at all. I've used maybe 6 pieces total in 3 hours. That's fantastic to me. And this thing is really holding temperature good. I couldn't be more pleased. I can open it up and see we're starting to get a good bronze color on it. I may have put a little bit too much oil on it, but it's not the end of the world. Everything seems to be working good. Smoke seems to be pretty clean. I couldn't be more pleased with my purchase. So I think we'll wrap this up today. I'm going to let it go another 3, 4, 5 hours on the seasoning. Probably till I run out of it. I got a couple pieces of wood back here. I'll just go ahead and finish that off. Let it cool off, and everything goes fine. The weather holds out. We'll probably throw some ribs on it tomorrow and give it its first cook. So if you like what you see, please hit subscribe. Hit like if you like it. And we'll do this again hopefully tomorrow, and I can show you the first cook. Thanks for watching.